Hi, I am Katie Huson. I'm on the RevOps team here at Zapier, and I want to walk you through our pre-call process that I have built out. This is for our sales reps to help them get ready for their upcoming meetings. What it does is it just helps them save time in looking up customer information, contact information, really just preparing for their calls. They can have a wide array of topics that they chat about in each of their conversations. So this eliminates some of that legwork for them. So this is broken into two zaps and a few tables. What we do is gather every meeting that comes in from Chili Piper for our sellers and then look up the contact and company information in HubSpot. We find things like if they have paid accounts, if they have open deals, and then we summarize what that company does and drop it into a table here. This table is something that everyone has access to on the sales team. So you can see all of your team's upcoming meetings, and then each rep also has their own table so they can keep track of what they have coming. Once a sales rep is ready to prep for a call, we have a button in that table called Prep Me. And when you click that button, this zap will fire off and it does a few things here. So it's going to look up that contact that you're meeting with in LeadIQ, which is an enrichment provider. It will also ask a few questions of ChatGPT. And what we're trying to do here is understand who we're speaking with, what the company does, what softwares they might use, and generate some use cases and conversation points for our sellers so that they can be ready for those calls. We also use another tool called Matic, which helps us generate decks. So if we have a paying account, this will run through and create a deck for the sales rep as well. Once that runs through here, we have a couple different paths. The sales rep will ultimately get a message that looks something like this that will say, you have this call on this date with these people, and here's what I've prepped for you, and just runs through suggested talking points, potential use cases, and information that they can start with in their conversation. Thanks, guys.